Okay, welcome to Text to Web. I built this tool because I wanted to simplify things for people that work at small businesses, whether it's a barber shop or a golf course or a restaurant. When people want to communicate with their customers or their prospects, they often have to log into lots of different platforms and write a message, et cetera, et cetera. And it just made sense to me that you ought to be able to just send that message from your phone, not even using an app, just as if it was a text message. And then our software will take over and distribute that message to lots of different outlets, whether it's your website, your social media pages, communicate with the AI agents you're using for customer support, send it to other leaders at the business. We do all of that just by you sending a simple text message in like 5 seconds. So this is one of our web pages. Just kind of show you the experience real quick here. So if this is where you purchase sms.smbgolf.com/login. And rather than sign in, you would just go straight to sign up. And that's how you would make the initial purchase. We are going to ask you what your mobile number is, because your mobile number is going to become the first approved mobile number in your account to begin sending these messages. You can add other people to your account for free so that they can send messages as well. But in the sign up process, we're going to get your email address and we're going to get your mobile number. We're going to confirm your mobile number by sending you a code, just like you experience in so many other places. Okay, so we are now in the dashboard, if you will, for one of my businesses. And you can see we've, lots of history here of messages we've sent. You can use emojis, you can do all kinds of things. The first page you'd probably be interested in coming to is location settings. And in location settings, you can appropriate more senders, more text message senders, and you can attach to a Facebook page. You can attach to different API integrations that we've created. You can add command words, all sorts of stuff. To get started, it is simple as installing a small script on your website, and this is by page. You can put this script on different pages on your website, and then a banner is created. And I thought what we could do now is I would just show you this in action. Here's where you get your user guide. Let's send a simulated message. Not even, I mean, this will be a real message. So let's say, happy Monday. Let's play some golf this week. And then maybe we'll have it expire in 4 hours instead of 2. And then we're just going to hit send. So that sent the message. And then I thought, just as a reminder, happy Monday. Let's play some golf. Let's just go and we'll check out what this looks like when it renders. And boom, right there at the top. And then the way we have this one programmed, it will take us, if a visitor wants to, they can go right to a Facebook page, our Facebook page. So we'll click that. I guess, yeah, and you'll see it's right there as well. It just posted 1 minute ago. Happy Monday. Let's play some golf this week. And then you'll also notice at the end I had expire 2 hours or whatever I had set that to. You won't see that here. And if you don't even want to get involved with expire and just you don't even want to have to remember to put that on your text message, it's fine. It will, by default, it will expire in 4 hours. But it's just we let you customize it if you want to. So it's really simple. By the way, the other managers of my business also received that message as a text message on their phone because it makes sense to me that they would want to know about if someone sends a message out. And then, and if you have an AI agent that's helping you with customer support, that AI agent also consumes that message immediately. And while you might not think that that's important for Happy Monday, let's play some golf, it could be important if you're saying, happy hour is extended by 2 hours tonight. Then if someone interacts with your web agent, and they say, give me your happy hour details for today, your web agent knows that, oh, well, today, I was just told by my quote unquote boss that happy hour has been extended by 2 hours. Then your web agent, your AI agent knows that for when customers ask that question. So that's our little video. You've got all kinds of functionality in here. It's really simple, and I hope people enjoy using it.